Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get ChatGPT working on your iOS 6 device. This is also supported for iPad, although the app has not been formatted properly, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, you will also need a ChatGPT account or an OpenAI account, yeah. First up, what you want to do is you want to go to platform.openai.com/API-keys, and then you want to go to the API keys section if you aren't already in it, and click create new secret key. Now we just name it whatever you want, or just name it so that you can know that it's for your iOS device, and then give all permissions, and now create your secret key. Now you want to get your key onto your device so that you can actually use it. Now you can type it in, but I'm going to just copy it to a text file and host it on a HTTP server. You want to go to ChatGPT legacy.com, this URL right here. Click go and scroll down until you can find the install. Oh, where's it? There we go, install. So you want to install that and give it some time. There we go. So now that your ChatGPT app is installed, all you need to do, just scroll down and get your API key into it. You can type it in, but I just copy and pasted it. And then there we go, it'll log in. And there we go. So now let's ask something to ChatGPT. So, hello chat, let me use my both hands. Hello ChatGPT. Oh, ChatGPT. Oh. And now you will need a paid API account for this so that you can actually, make requests to it. So if I go back to my OpenAI page here, you'll need to add money to your account in order to use this, and I'm not going to because this is a free tutorial. And so yeah, you will sadly need a paid API account in order to use this, but I just wanted to show you this so I can log in. And it won't even let me look at my other conversations because I don't have an API account, a paid account. But yeah, there we go. So you do need to pay for this, but that's not because of bag XML. That's just because of how the actual thing works, OpenAI. So don't go ask bag XML for fixes or ask me, because I cannot help you here. You will need to pay for open API keys. Anyways, I hope that helped you at least a little bit, and I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.